Hi, I'm Alex Pault, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today, I wanted to talk about the Movado BOLD Quest, which is a new integrated bracelet watch from Movado, recently released as part of the entire Quest family, which has both integrated and non-integrated bracelets in their lineup. Now, I was kind of surprised to see a watch that is so derivative. It looks more to me like the Tissot PRX than it does to anything else that it could be trying to copy. And ironically, because of the price and the way it looks, it encourages comparisons to the Tissot PRX. And so while I was there at the Macy's, I put the two together to show how they look side by side. What I find interesting is these are both the quartz versions, right? So there's not like when the Powermatic 80's got a plastic escapement and the Bold has got a mechanical. These are both, a metal, but both of these watches that I compared are both the 40 millimeter quartz versions, integrated bracelet, steel case, 40 millimeter. And what I found interesting is that a third more than the Tissot PRX, because the Tissot PRX quartz 40 millimeter is about $400 and change, and the Movado BOLD Quest sells for roughly $600. So we're talking about a watch that costs much more and isn't giving us a lot more. In fact, for something that looks so much like the Tissot, it doesn't offer the same visual appeal as the Tissot, weirdly enough. I think I'm gonna do a separate episode and talk more about the integrated bracelet pieces that are available at the lower prices, because there are some really nice pieces, obviously, at the higher price points. But if you're talking about, the $500 price point, give or take a little bit, integrated bracelet watch, there are some others out there, but the big contenders. The big contender is the Tissot PRX. And now that Movado has come out with this Bold, the Quest, I don't know how much traction they're going to get. In one sense, I think if you look at them side by side, the dial on the Movado is a little more striking, a little richer, but the Tissot has much more vivid face. The indices in the hands are bolder, loomed. It's obviously much more of a daily wear sports watch, whereas the Movado looks like it's trying hard to be, a sophisticated sports luxury watch, but I don't see where they're going, how much traction they're going to have with that, because it's a nice watch, but I think there's been a spate of overpriced mid-range watches. For example, people were already upset with the Maurice Lacroix Tide, which was a $700 plastic watch, and then Tag Heuer came out with a $1,500 or $1,300, something along those, but over $1,000 plastic quartz watch. And so at the daily wear integrated bracelet metal quartz watch, we've got the PRX at 400 and change, but now we've got the Movado at $600. Is it worth the extra $200? I'm not sure, considering that they are both steel integrated bracelet quartz watches at 40 millimeters. I would almost have to give it to the Tissot because of the loomed hands and indices, which to me, if you're a daily wear, you have to have loom. And also, it's a 10 bar. It's 10 atmospheres water resistant, and the Movado's only 5. So the Movado is more expensive, not loomed, and just doesn't look strikingly different enough to be worth the extra money that they're asking for it. I'd really like to hear your opinions, so leave any comments in the description below, and we'll bring this up again. I'll do a direct head-to-head comparison and talk some more about the lower-priced integrated bracelets, because a friend of mine let me borrow his Christopher Ward, so we'll do a hands-on with the Christopher Ward, and then while we're doing that, I'll bring up the Tissot PRX, which we also did a hands-on, and this Movado, which I didn't review, but I was able to directly hand compare side by side with the Tissot. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. And tell your friends, please subscribe, or at least leave a like. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.